can see here, it is the conversion of the fractions. We have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. How to convert? Let me see with the examples. So firstly we can see the conversion of mixed fraction into the improper fraction. The questions are here, all these numbers are in the mixed fraction. So we have to convert these questions in a improper fraction. Let me see how to do here. So first 3, 4 upon 5, it is a mixed fraction. We have to convert it into the improper fraction. Let me see the first one, 5 you can multiply with 3, that is 3 5s are 15. Then plus 4 you can write here, then entirely it is divided by 5. Okay, first what you can do, 3 you can multiply with 5, then you can plus 4. Okay, so you will get that answer here. 5 3s are 15 plus 4 upon 5 is the answer, and let me see here, 50 plus 4 becomes 19 upon 5 is the improper fraction. The answer is here 3 4 upon 5. You can convert it into improper fraction. First you can multiply 5 into 3, then you can add that 4. You will get the answer, that is 19 upon 5. In the same way we can do here another example, that is 9 7s are. You can multiply here 9 into 7 and plus 3 you can write and divide it by 9 it is. Okay, so here 9 7s are 63 plus 3 divided by 9. That is 66 divided by 9 it is. Okay, so the same case we can check here. In this way we have to find out the mixed fraction into improper fraction. The conversion of, next we can see here, the conversion of improper fraction into the mixed fraction. How? Now it is already in the improper fraction. We have to convert this into the mixed fraction. How to convert? Let me see. The first one we can write here 63 divided by 8. We have to divide it completely. We have to divide it 63 divided by 8. You have to divide in this way. Okay. So 63 is it in 8th table? It is not in 8th table. So we can take the smaller than 63 is in 8th table. 8 7s are 56 it is. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64 is there, so we can't take 64, is bigger than 63, so smaller than 63 it is becomes 8 7s are 56. Okay, then how much it is remains? 3 minus 6 not possible, bring 1 from here, it is 13, 13 minus 6 becomes 7 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So what we got the answer? We got here the answer, that answer you can write here. What we got the answer you can write here. Already denominator 8 is there, denominator 8 you can write. Denominator is already 8 there, we have to write the denominator 8. And we have a 7, the question we have to write here. And we can write here what is the remainder, remainder we can write here the 7. So this method, with this small trick you can write here, we can write question here, then here the remainder and then divided by denominator what it is given already. Okay, so with this trick you can find out easily. Question will be here, the remainder is here, and the denominator whatever it is given that you can write here, that's all. Okay, so we have to see the next one, it is 54 upon 7. We have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So let me see here that 54 divided by 7 it is. Okay. In 7th table again, table 54 is not there. So we have to take smaller number of which comes in 7th table. That is 7 7s are 49 and 7 8s are 56. So 8s are 56 we can take here. 7 7s are 49 we can take here. 7 7s are 49. So how much it is remains? 14. 5 minus 9 it is not possible. Bring 1 from here. 14 minus 9 becomes it is 5 remains. And here 4 minus 4 becomes 0. As we know that how to write here, the first one it is quotient is 7 and the remainder is 5 and the denominator is already there 7. We have to write. In this way we have to write the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. Next one we can see here the addition or the subtraction of the fraction. The addition or the subtraction of the fraction we can see here. Let me check here that the 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4 it is. 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4 it is. So what we can do here, the denominators of these two numbers, two fractions are same. If the denominators are same, then you can directly add or subtract. That is 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4. You can directly add or subtract because the denominator are already same. You can take the common denominator and then 1 plus 2 is there. You can directly write it. Okay, so the same way we can write here, that is the 1 plus 2 becomes 3 upon 4. In this way we can write. So like that we have to solve this one. Second question, it is 6 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 it is. 6 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 it is. So we can do here like this. Suppose both the numerator, both these are the denominators are same in the both fractions. So what we can do, take the 5, the common fraction we can take, common denominator we can take, and the 6 minus 3 we can write here. Okay, 6 minus 3 becomes 3 upon 5. So in this way we have to write when the denominator is same for the both the fractions. You can directly add or subtract. If the denominators are different, we can see here. Here it is 3 denominator and here it is 4 denominator. So then firstly we have to find out the LCM of 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So what we can do here, you can make LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So what we can do here directly, just can multiply here and make the 3 becomes 12. So for example we can take here 5 upon 3 plus 2 upon 4 it is. What we can do here, 3 hours are 12, 3 4s are 12. So you can multiply here with 4. Then 4 hours are 12 it is, 4 3s are 12. Again you can multiply with 3 and equivalent fractions you can write and make the denominator becomes same. So let me see here next one. After multiplying here, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. Okay, then plus 4 3s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, now it is common denominator. What we can do here, 20 plus 6 we can add here and write the 12 here at the common denominator. So the next we get here, that is 26 upon 12. So simply what we can do here, it is to find out the equivalent fraction. But firstly you can find out the LCM of the denominator and find out the equivalent fraction to make the equal denominator. Will get the answer here. Okay, so in this way we have to find out another question here like this. If suppose we can find out now, if suppose अगर questions अगर 3 digits में भी रहता है, अगर question 3 digit में भी रहता है तो आपको किस टाइप से find out करना है देखेंगे. Firstly you can find out the LCM of the denominators are 4, 2, 5 is 4, 5 and 2. LCM of the 4, 5 and 2 is how much it is? LCM of 4, 5 and 2 is 20. So make all the number becomes 20. Make all the denominator becomes 20. Let me see how to make it. So 7 upon 4 it is plus 6 upon 5 it is plus 3 upon 2. So we can see here 4 how much are 20? 4 5 are 20. So numerator also multiply with 5. Then next one 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20. Numerator also multiply with 4. Then next 2 10s are 20. The numerator also multiply with 10. Now you can find out the equivalent fraction of these and find it now. 4 5s are 20. Then next one 7 5s are 35 plus then 6 4s are 24 and then next one 5 4s are 20 plus 3 10s are 30 divided by 2 10s are 20. Now what we'll get here? What we will get here? We'll get that 7 5s are 35 upon 4. 35 upon 4 5s are 20 plus 6 4s are 24 upon 20. Then next one 3 10s are 30 upon 20. It becomes what we can get here 35 plus 24 plus 30 divided by 20. So what we can write here 35 plus 25 becomes 60 and 60 plus 30 becomes 90 upon 20 it is. What we got the answer here 90 upon 20. So likewise we have to solve here that the last question we are going to solve, that is here we can solve, that is 16 upon 5 minus 3 upon 2. So what we can do here 16 upon 5 and 3 upon 2 is there. Find out the LCM of 5 and 2. LCM of 5 and 2 is, LCM of 5 and 2 is, how much it is? 10 it is. 10 is the LCM of 5 and 2. So what we can do here? So directly we can find out the LCM of this one. 16 upon 5 plus, it is minus 3 upon 2 it is. Okay, 5 how much are 10 it is? 5 2s are 10. So here 16 also multiplied with 2. 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. So numerator also multiplied with 5. So let me write here 16 2s are 32 divided by 5 2s are 10 minus 3 5s are 15 divided by 2 5s are 10. So here now we got the common denominator, same denominator we got. So we have to take as a common denominator as a 10. So 32 minus 15 it is. 32 minus 15 it is. What is the 32 minus 15 it is? 17 upon 10 we got the answer. 17 upon 10 we got the answer. Okay. We are going to discuss here the multiplication and the division of fractions. Let me see some of the examples it is given, that is solved. So the first one we can take here, that is 3 multiplied by 4 upon 5. So how to multiply this? You know that in addition and the subtraction we have seen that firstly you can make the denominator equal or same, and then you can find out or simplify that. It means that the denominators, with the help of LCM, you can make the equal or same denominators and then you can simplify. Now here, no need to make the denominator same. Directly we can multiply the numerator and the denominator. Okay, let me see here 3 into 4 upon 5. So 3 upon nothing is there. It means that all the integers, whatever the integer it is, all it has, the denominator becomes 1. All the integers it has, the denominator becomes 1. Okay, so then what we can do, that 3 into 4 directly we can multiply numerator and directly we can multiply the denominator. Then if we get that here, that is 3 4s are 12, 5 1s are 5. So 12 upon 5 is our answer. Okay, so in the same way we can see another question. The second question we can take here, that 8 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7. So what we can do directly, 8 into 3, directly the numerator you can multiply and the denominator you can multiply. 3 into 7. That what we will get here, that 8 3s are 24 divided by 3 7s are 21. So in this way, the next question also we can see that division is that. Next question is division. 7 divided by 5 upon 6 it is. So what we can do here, 7 divided by 5 this is. So what we can write here, 7 divided by 1. Nothing means we can take 1. Okay. Division sign is there. Division sign we can take as usual. Okay. So then next one what we can do, 7 upon 1 as usual we can write, and this division symbol. Division symbol changes to multiplication and the inverse of the numbers we can write. Inverse of the numbers. Inverse means this denominator goes to the numerator and numerator comes to the denominator. Okay, now we can multiply here simply. 7 6 are 42 and 5 1s are 5. So in this way we can find out the answers. Okay, so the next one we can see here, fourth question, that is 7 upon 4 divided by 6. What we can do here now, 7 upon 4 it is as usual. As usual we can write 7 upon 4. Then divided by 6 it means that nothing means denominator we can take as 1. Okay, so then next what we can do, 7 upon 4 as usual we can write, the division changes to multiplication sign and it goes, the denominator comes at the numerator and numerator goes to the denominator. Now we can multiply the numerator and the denominator. We'll get here 7 1s are 7 and 4 6s are 24 is the answer. Okay, so the last examples we can see here, that is 8 upon 5 which is divided by 7 upon 9. So what we can do here, simply just we can see that 8 upon 5 we can write it as it is and the division sign changes to multiplication, and then the number, this number is inverse of that numbers we can write. It means the numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. So the next we can multiply numerator and the denominator. That is 8 9s are 72 divided by 5 7s are 35. So in this way we can find out the division and the multiplication of the fractions. You can see the find 1 upon 2 of 40, 1 upon 5 of 30 and 1 upon 7 of 6 upon 5. How to find? Let me see with these examples. Let me see, these are the one of the different types of some examples are here. It is 1 upon 2 of 14 it is. First question is 1 upon 2 of 14. So 1 upon 2 of is nothing but, we can take here of is nothing but multiplication it is. Of is nothing but multiplication it is. So we can do here so that put 1 into 14 as we know the division and 7 it is divided by 2 it is. So 14 ones are 14 divided by 2, it becomes 7 is the answer. Means 7 2 ones are 2, 2 7 are 14, 7 is the answer. So in this way we have to find out of becomes the multiplication. Okay, so the next question we can take here 1 upon 5 of 30 it is. 1 upon 5 of 30. What we can do here, that is 1 upon 5 into 30 upon 30 we can write. Okay, nothing means take 1 as the denominator, as you know that. It means that 1 into 30 divided by 5 into 1 it is. So 30 upon 5 it is. So 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. It becomes 6 is the answer. So in this way we can find out another question like this. That is 1 upon 7 of 6 upon 5. करना क्या है? सिंपली आपको करना क्या है? 1 upon 7 ऑफ का मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन आएगा, 6 upon 5 रखना है. और आगे तो आपको पता ही है किस टाइप से सॉल्व करते हैं. It means 1 into 6 divided by 7 into 5 it is. So 1 6 are 6, 7 5 are 35. This is what your answer. Okay.